Are you diving into Entity Framework for the first time and feeling a bit lost? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue: how to return all related entities when querying with Entity Framework. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when you write a query and it just doesn't return the results you expect. Many new developers face this challenge, especially when dealing with related entities. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user asked, "How can I query with Entity Framework and return an entity and all its related entities?" They provided a query that retrieves requests based on a code, but the related entities are coming back null. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be going wrong here? When you query an entity in Entity Framework, related entities may not be loaded by default. This is often due to lazy loading being disabled or not including the related entities in your query. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can help you streamline your queries and make your code cleaner. To return all related entities with Entity Framework, the user should start by including the related entities in their query. This can be done using the include method. Next, the user should ensure that their navigation properties are correctly set up in the request class. This means that the request class should have a property for the related results entity. Additionally, the user should check the database context to confirm that the relationship between request and results is properly configured. This can be done in the onModelCreating method. Finally, after making these changes, the user should run their query again. This time, they should see the related results entities populated alongside their requests. Fun fact: did you know that Entity Framework was first released in 2008? It has come a long way since then, making data access easier for developers everywhere. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user involves loading related entities in Entity Framework. They suggest using the entry method to load specific references like this: db.entry requests, reference p=p.code. Additionally, if you want all related entities to load automatically, you can enable lazy loading in your data context constructor by setting this configuration.lazyLoading enabled to true. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always check if lazy loading is enabled in your context. If it's not, you might miss out on loading related entities automatically. And there you have it. By using the include method, you can easily retrieve an entity along with all its related entities. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips and keep coding confidently.